Today we're going to be talking about matter. We'll focus on solids. A solid is one form of matter. It is not a liquid or a gas. A solid has a size, a shape, and a texture. We're going to read the book Solids in My World that'll tell us a little bit more about what a solid is. Science is all about getting to know the world around us. We can start by sorting things into groups. We can sort things in our world into solids, liquids, or gases. We're going to learn about solids. A solid has a size. Some solids are small. Sand and acorn are small solids. Some solids are big. A skyscraper and a fire truck are big solids. Solids have a shape. A cup is a solid. A solid can change its shape if a force acts on it. If we break the cup, it is no longer shaped like a cup. Liquids and gases have no shape. Solids can be hard or soft. A desk is a hard solid. A telephone is a hard solid too. A blanket is a soft solid. Yarn is a soft solid too. Solids can feel rough or smooth. A brick is a rough solid. It feels bumpy when you touch it. A piece of paper is a smooth solid. It feels flat or even. A bike is a solid. It is a solid that's made up of many solids. The wheels, the frame, the pedals, and the chain are all solids that make up the bike. The clothes you wear are solids. Your hat, scarf, and mittens are solids. Your pants, socks, and shoes are solids too. Sometimes solids, liquids, and gases can change from one form to another. Ice is a solid, but if the air becomes warm, ice melts. When the ice melts, it turns into water. Water is a liquid. So as we've learned from this book, there are a lot of different solids in our world. Now we're going to make a list of some of the solids that we see every day. So now we go into making a list on the board, and I would start by putting a couple examples up, and then the students would be able to add to that list with things that they know. And then we would make a list of the negative examples. So I would put up things like water, air, smoke, things like that, and then the students would be able to add to that list of different liquids that they're aware of, that they come across every day. Now we're going to practice together. The last page in the book is actually a picture with a lot of different things going on. So there are a lot of different examples of positive and negative examples of different solids, liquids, and gases. And as a class, we would go through and point out which goes into which category. Or we could give each student one of the items that we talked about in the book, or go through the classroom and just find a few solids, a few different things, maybe give them a bottle of water and have them tell the class what area they think it goes in, if it's a solid, liquid, or a gas. And then we would talk about that as a class. And for the activity, we would have the students find a partner and go on a scavenger hunt in the classroom looking for different solids. And then after they find about 3 solids, we'd come back as a group and have them share and see how many different solids that we could come up with as a class that we use every day.